Hi, this is Dave, and today we're going to work on replacing the wheels on our Samsonite suitcase. You can see that this wheel, the outer rubber piece fell off. If you compare it to this one, it's a different size.
Okay.
So the first thing we had to do was try and find a replacement wheel. So to do that, you have to take some measurements. You have to measure kind of the outside, just how big it is, and look at the shape. There's many different sizes and shapes online. And then also, when you open it up and look on the inside, it's held on by 4 screws. So look on the inside. They've got a zipper here that you can open up. And here, for every wheel, there's 4 screws. So you need to measure the distance between all of the screws. So you measure this way, and this way, and this way. And then look up the measurements on the parts that are available. So we were able to look on Amazon, and we found this part that the screws are in the same spot and has the same shape as our original one. So to replace it, we just have to take out these 4 screws and replace the part. So now we can use just a regular screwdriver. We'll take the 4 screws out that hold the wheel in.
Are you going to change just the one that's broken, or?
No, we're going to change all of them because they may be a slightly different height than the original wheels. Now that we have all the screws out, we can take off the wheel from the bottom. And then on the inside here, there's an inner plate that also comes off. Now we're ready to put the wheel back on. So here's the new wheel. It lines up in the same holes as the original and just pushes in. And then on the inside, you have to put a plate on here. I'm going to reuse the old plate because when I did a test fit with the new plate, it was too tall and the screws wouldn't reach and it didn't fit in the suitcase right. But everything lines up just right, so I can use the old plate and then install the new screws that come with it. The screw's not tightening up. So we ran into an issue where the screws, we couldn't tighten them up. And it turned out to be a problem with aligning the screws using this old plate with the new wheel. So what we ended up doing was we took a drill that was just slightly bigger than the hole here and drill it and then pull along to make the slot a little bit bigger on all 4 wheels. And then it mounts up okay. But then to keep it even easier, we use the old screws. And then it lines up. We can install all 4 screws and tighten them up. You want to make sure it's nice and firm without stripping out the plastic. Okay, now we've got this one installed. Now we just have to repeat the process on all the other 4. We've replaced all the wheels with the new ones, and they fit nice to the shape of the suitcase. They're nice and tight, and they're all good. So then on the inside, you can see we've reused all the plates. We had to drill all of them, and we maintained this bar in here that is part of the original suitcase for support. And now it's all put together. We can zip up the inner liner. Close up the suitcase. Test. Now that it's all put together, we can give it a test. It rolls smooth and it swivels. It was a good repair. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.